This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
Oh, no, that nigga like it. Oh, my God. Oh, shit. Damn. There we go. Boy, they hit your shit up crazy. I can't even talk though, cause birds be shitting all over my car too. I think it gotta be this color or something, bro. Look at the steering wheel, bro. His seats, bro. His shit crazy. That shit got like the Mustang logo and shit on the ground. Me personally, I can't afford no feature like that, you know. But shit, it's not cap, bro.
It is.
It's not, bro.
Matter of fact, TikTok shop.
Wait, hell nah, bro. I try my best not to get pulled over, nigga. That's all it is.
I don't get pulled for that shit.
Bruh, I don't know, nigga.
You get pulled, I have been pulled, obviously.
If they don't pull me over for the shit, nah, I'll take that bitch off. I don't want it on the front of that bitch anyway. When I drove that bitch back from when I got it, I ain't had no front plate on it. But the niggas like, you gonna have both plates.
That's what my mom said, but
this nigga don't give a fuck. I swear. Oh my God. Hell yeah. I clicked on this shit and ain't even know what I clicked on. I'm like, what the fuck, this shit so soft? And then I taste mac and cheese. I'm like, ah, that's why. Yeah, but how much?
$10.
Yeah. That ain't bad. I done went to the gas station and put $3 in my shit before. You tripping?
I just put $9 in my gas.
Come on, bro. Actually factual. Mm-hmm. Hell yeah. Give me like a month and a half, maybe.
Run RT. Second gen.
For real? That's how my shit's supposed to be sounding. But nah. Nigga wanna. Huh?
I want your shit louder.
Oh yeah. My shit ain't gonna be just, I'm not like just gonna stop right there. Hell no. But like that's a start. Cause if I turn this bitch on right now and just let it idle, you'll walk right past this bitch and wouldn't even know I'm inside of it. That's not good. I mean, well, it's good, but like, goddamn. Shit, don't think these niggas got it. Yeah, hell no.
I'm trying to think of this spot.
I told him about the river spot. So,
Where that shit at again?
I don't know. He know where it's at. Nigga just said by the river.
You know where y'all was at? Across the bridge. Find a way to get down
Bro, it's good, bro. How about this? Let me goddamn.
Bro, it's a normal charger. It's a V6. You know?
Bruh, Isaiah, you tripping. Tell Isaiah about the nigga with the V6 that we
Yeah, PC gonna be ass, bro. But
Oh my god. If you look in the back, the rear tires, them bitches is like in.
Yeah, bro, I can kind of see that shit like right there.
Yeah. And what really make, cause he brought this up, what the f they chasing?
What you mean?
With this shit set up like this.
Bro. Like, I don't know. You ain't catching nobody in this bitch.
Not none of the new cars. Hell no. Think you finna hop behind a red eye, bruh, and turn your lights on, bruh, gonna look at your ass and laugh, bruh. No cap. Hey, bruh, that shit gonna be embarrassing, bruh.
I already told you at Richmond PD riding in now.
I told him about the stickers. We gotta get them.
The great thing is the motherfucker with the Richmond police unit, bro. He out of jurisdiction.
So you could, well, I heard people say if they out of their shit, then they can't do nothing to you. But I don't know if that's true, and I don't want to test that theory, bruh.
My dad said that he could still pull you over.
Oh, damn.
But it's like,
Nigga, go home. What time is it, bro?
it's like 2 o'clock down there.
Look, 2 o'clock in the morning. Go home. Go. I know you got a wife. What
That
the?
ain't no V6 car.
That shit sound good. What's yo, bro? Nah, yo, bro. Sheets might be that. Yo, bro. Sheets might be that shit, bro. Hey, it sound good for what it is, bro. Isaiah, he got you off the line. Ooh. That boy got you off the line, man. That's You said what?
You see Roush on the front.
Oh, Roush. Okay, that's the same shit he got, man. That shit sound nice, bro. For what it is, that shit definitely sounds good. I can't even cap. You worrying about the wrong shit. Ooh, that shit sound good, bro. He doing the same shit I just did. Had to get air, bro. Hell yeah. Come on, bro. Open this shit up, man. Huh? All y'all who watching this shit, go to his IG and spam what he got on his back window. Nah, I'm playing. Nah, don't do that shit. Hell no. Damn. Just a regular little chill night, bro. Wait, you know what I'm saying? We're gang now, man. Hey, why you trying to get crazy like that though, bro? That should sound good. I know my car dirty, bro. I ain't had it that long. What the fuck, bro? Hey, I'm telling you. Yeah, I gotta hold mine up, bro. My shit ghetto rigged right now, bro.
Right now.
Hell yeah.
That y'all turn.
Oh my god. Oh shit. Damn!
Nah, he's shitting with the car's hood too.
Oh, me, bro. I don't even know how he spot that. He was like, bro, got a forged carbon hood. I'm like, how the hell? I ain't even see the car. Nigga said forged carbon hood. That shit sounds great, bro.
I need my shit to pop like that, bro.
Hell yeah.
Look right there. At the light.
What about it?
It's a Camaro with a fat wing on it. And I bet it's a V6 too.
Nigga's a hater, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, all this shit getting deleted. Fuck it.
Hey, that's what I be doing for the storage, bro. I'll get anything to fuck off my phone, bro, for a good ass vlog.
How we get like you with the Hellcat?
What you mean?
Hellcat swap. How we get like you, bro?
Hellcat swap. I could definitely try to save up for that, though. Actually, hold on now. Yeah, I could definitely try to save up for it. But for how much? See, that's that. Nah, hell no, I don't want it then. Nigga telling me don't worry about the price. I tell you who I will go to though.
What I tell you?
Oh, what about being a visa? I tell you who I'll go to for the swap. If not Al again, Damn, bruh. I know who I go to. If not Al, then do what I went to yesterday. Because the way they snatched that motor out that goddamn car, bro, we weren't even there for that long, but that bitch was out. He would have had my shit done in a day. For sure, for sure. Yeah, Isaiah. Ooh. Damn. Yeah, I think I like sheets. No cap.
Like,
Hey, bro.
They just full up, bro.
I'm telling you, bro.
It's 1:17 in the morning.
Like, damn,
Niggas chilling, bro.
It is a Saturday, though.
Exactly.
I ain't getting content right now because my shit acting stupid, bro.
Gotta get this shit, bro. Then I would have to drive all the way back to my house, but this nigga dad told me, man, just stay the night. So I don't even know why the fuck I'm about to dap you up. I'm going to your house. Hold up, before you do it, bro. Let me get my shine on real quick, bro, because yeah, niggas like to embarrass me, bro. If I can't hear my car over that, this shit's a problem, bro. We finna get ready to leave, man. I appreciate y'all boys for watching. Calm little vlog, bro. See, it's not that bad, bro. Oh my goodness, y'all see the dash? You try hard. Listen to this shit, bro. Shit sound crazy, what? Listen to his shit. Look, this his shit. You didn't know my car on. Even if I put my phone close to the exhaust, you don't even hear the shit.
You hand straight my shit.
And I got bird shit all over my car, bro. It's fuck out of here. Nigga ready to piss me off, bro. Oh man.
Yeah, car wash Wednesday, my nigga.
Car wash Wednesday, nigga. I'm gonna try to remember, bro. It depends on how pissed off I am on Wednesday. Cause if them niggas blew me, I ain't gonna feel like doing it, bro.
Good stress relief. Wash your car.
That might work, bro. You might have just goddamn convinced me, just a little bit.
Ain't gonna lie, just gonna hear me go loud as shit about me, bro.
Yo, bro, I gotta play that shit, bro. I can't,
That shit hard, bro.
bro. I'm a.
And then especially like the way the bass be hitting for real, bro. On some of them songs.
Oh my, bro. Play a song in your car real quick, bro. You gotta hear this shit, bro. Oh hell to the nah. Hold on, bro. I'm tripping. I be forgetting, bro. Niggas be fiending. Hold on. But this shit looks so good, bro. Alright, hold on, I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm ready to leave, man. Alright, man, appreciate y'all boys for watching, bro. Quick little, you know what I'm saying, gas station run. We got my nigga Ryan chilling over this bitch. We finna get the fuck out of here. Hey, Isaiah, just give me like the directions somewhat close, alright? Yeah. Oh, no, that nigga take it. Oh, yeah. Oh, snap. Bro, I love his car, bro. That car sounds amazing. Alright, hold on, give me a second, y'all. Alright, boom, man, we finna. Why is my light on, bro? Alright, man, we finna get ready to dip. Going out that way. Hold on. I'm probably going. Hold on, let me see which way these niggas going, bro. Or if they kept going straight, I'll be good. Yeah. Appreciate y'all boys, man, for watching. I'm finna get up out of here, huh? Nah, you ain't got to. If you cold, bro, then nah, don't want that shit down. Alright, once I bust this right, make a left or what? Yeah. Alright, oh. Dang. Yo, bro, also I just thought like I should tell y'all, bro, the reason why I don't have my exhaust yet, bro. Blame my plug, bro. That's all I'm gonna say is blame my plug. By the way, we got Isaiah, you know what I'm saying? We got Isaiah in the car, man. We in there, big. I probably give y'all a little pull. Nothing too crazy. Nowhere near how Rand just did, but shit, I'm gonna give y'all a little something, bro. And then after I give y'all this pool, I'm gonna end the video, bro. You know what I'm saying? Calm. I'm gonna try to give y'all boys POVs. Bro, at least we gonna start off with like 3 a week. We gonna try to do 3 a week, but I be busy, bro. I be working a lot, so I can't really. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try 3 a week though. Let's see if I can do 3 a week. If I can do 3 a week and I feel like I got extra time, bro, why not try to, like, you know what I'm saying, up it just a little bit. All right, here we go. See what I'm talking about, man. My shit ain't like Rand's, but we get a little, you feel me? My traction thing just popped up. Yeah, I think it's because my tires is low. I need to get new tires. That's why. Because it's picking up on all of that. Yeah. Yeah. Appreciate y'all boys for watching, bro. You know what I'm saying? Quick little pull. I'm finna get out of this mess. Love y'all boys, man. Appreciate y'all boys for showing support, bro. I'm out there, man.